Welcome to Part 5. We hop on the iconic red double-decker bus, a moving vantage point through the city's evolving landscape. Morning in Matunga begins with the aroma of freshly brewed filter coffee and the warmth of South Indian traditions. In Kumbharwada, the potter's wheel spins stories of resilience and incredible craftsmanship. The Mahim Dargah stands as a sanctuary of faith, where prayers mingle with the salt of the sea. Baikula's Gloria Church reaches for the sky with its stunning Gothic revival spires. History is exquisitely preserved at the Bhaudaji Lad, Mumbai's oldest museum. The ruins of Surrey Fort offer a quiet gaze over the eastern mudflats and harbor. Lamington Road hums with the electric energy of the city's vast electronics hub, while Chembur provides a greener, slower rhythm in the heart of the eastern suburbs. Further north, up Van Lake and Thane offers a tranquil escape near the Yor Hills. Maud Fort stands isolated on the coast, a silent witness to centuries of maritime history. Marv Beach captures the essence of a city that lives and breathes by the water. Step inside the global Vipassana Pagoda to feel the power of silence under its golden dome. BKC transforms at night into a glittering landscape of modern ambition. We end the day at Worli Koliwada, where the sunset paints the old village in gold. Suburban food streets come alive as the city gathers for its favorite evening treats. The harbor reflects the sleepless energy of a city that never stops moving. Heritage buildings glow, preserving the city's artistic soul through the dark. At Dadar, the convergence of people and trains creates an eternal heartbeat. Mumbai is a city of dreams, where every light represents a unique story. A city that embraces everyone, a city that truly is an emotion. Our journey reaches its penultimate stage. One final part remains.